To secure Coinbase two-factor authentication, start by understanding what two-factor authentication is. It is a security process that requires a user to provide two different authentication factors to access an account. In the case of Coinbase, a popular cryptocurrency exchange, two-factor authentication is crucial to protect your account from unauthorized access. First, log into your Coinbase account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, click on Security. In the Security menu, you will see the two-factor authentication option. Coinbase offers two types of two-factor authentication: SMS and Authenticator app. Authenticator app is the most secure option, as it does not rely on your phone's SMS service, which can be vulnerable to hacking. To set up Authenticator app, click on the Authenticator app option. You will be prompted to download an Authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy. Once you have downloaded the app, scan the QR code provided by Coinbase. The Authenticator app will then generate a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. Enter the 6-digit code into the Coinbase website to complete the setup process. Once two-factor authentication is enabled, you will be required to enter the 6-digit code generated by the Authenticator app every time you log into your Coinbase account. Best practice is to use a unique and complex password for your Coinbase account and to keep your Authenticator app and Coinbase account separate from your other online accounts. Additionally, make sure to keep your Authenticator app and Coinbase account up to date, as updates often include security patches and new features. By following these steps and best practices, you can secure your Coinbase two-factor authentication and protect your account from unauthorized access. Remember, two-factor authentication is an important security measure that can prevent hacking and protect your cryptocurrency assets.